everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. In today's guide video, I'm gonna show you how to do Ask Me Anything on Snapchat application. Now this filter is one of the trendiest filter going around in Snapchat application. So make sure that you're well connected with the internet service and then make sure to watch the video till the end. Now without further delay, let us get started. So now tap on the Snapchat application. Now here, as you can see, the interface looks something like this, and right in the bottom on the right hand side corner there you can see a filter icon or a smiley icon. Just tap on it. Now as you tap on the filter icon, there you can see down there you have different options. So from here what you have to do is you have to tap on the explore button, which is right in the corner. Now as soon as you tap on the explore button, on the other page there you have a different option. So from here what you have to do is right on top there you can see a search bar. So then tap on the search bar. The final step is you have to enter the filter's name, that is Ask Me Anything. Now as I've typed Ask Me Anything, now here you can see there are different filters. So from here you have to tap on Ask Me Anything. These are all different filters, so you have to search for it. Here you can see I have right in the center. Now all I have to do is tap on it. Now here you can see that this filter has been applied, and in order to share it with your friends, all you have to do is tap on send to button, which is right in the corner on the right hand side. And this is how you can do Ask Me Anything on Snapchat application. Now that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.